My name is Zainab Showumi, and we're a group of 5. We choose Singapore Smart Nation Initiative as our organization contest in this presentation. Singapore, before Smart Nation, had faced problems. Singapore, before Smart Nations, faced problems due to Singapore is a highly urbanized island with population of about 5.6 million people. This creates challenges such as urban congestion and limited land resources. Due to high population density, Singapore was faced with transport congestion, housing demand pressures, and strain on utilities such as water and energy. Singapore also faces demographic challenges due to aging population, which already experiencing rapid aging due to low fertility rates below replacement level since 1970s, increasing life expectancy, which puts increased pressure on public services and social support systems. And also, the aging population would significantly increase demand for chronic disease management, hospital capacity, long-term facilities, and Singapore also face the problem need for efficient public service with limited manpower. Singapore was faced with fragmented government systems. Government agencies often operated in data silos. Process relied heavily on paperwork and physical presence, and this resulted in slower service delivery and duplication of effort across agencies, lower responsiveness to citizen needs. All these problems put Singapore at a corner, which they need to provide solution to it, which bring about the Singapore Smart Nation initiatives that was launched in early 2014. I will now give my next colleague the mic to speak about the AI and digital tools they use in solving these problems.
Yeah, thank you. Uh, my name is Varkala Chandrakala. Today I am going to talk about the description of the AI and digital tools. The AI and digital tools are nowadays helping Singapore become more smarter and effective to the citizens. Firstly, I would like to talk about the AI tools. The predictive analysis system. These systems are analyze the data and predict the future trends and needs. For example, they can forecast traffic, consumption, or population growth, helping by the government plans and resources. And AI face verification. The AI face verification is a sign pass uses facial recognition to confirm a person identity online. For example, when logging into the ePass, the AI ensures only access the uh, right person to reduce the frauds. Ask Gemini. It is like a chatbot. The chatbot answers citizens' questions automatically. For example, you can ask about the taxes or any of the information government services anytime without giving any human officers. AI in smart mobility. The artificial intelligence optimizes the traffic and public transport, making travel smoother. For example, it helps adjust traffic lights real time or plan buses accordingly to reduce the congestion. Coming to the last, artificial intelligence healthcare diagnostics. Uh, AI assists doctors by detecting diseases early, supporting the medical decisions. For example, it can identify easily sign the early of the cancer or heart diseases, improving the patient care. Coming to, I would like to talk about the digital tools. The digital tools is a sign pass. The sign pass secure digital identity of the citizen to access services online. For example, one can allow us to apply for the government services, check any other health records. My info, the my info is automatically fills the personal information while we applying any of the government services. It can automatically take name, address, contact details. It is a pre-filling my info, which is very useful. And life sg app, this is an one time app to for the government services. For example, you can book your healthcare appointments by using this app, which is very useful app. Pay now. The Pay Now is a cashless payment system for easy transaction. For example, you can pay your bills and transaction money instantly by using this app. The last one is Virtual Singapore, which is a 3D digital model of the city used for the planning and simulation. For example, urban planners can test new buildings projects of the traffic system virtually before implementing this. Uh, and the next slide will be going to presented by Ruhul. Thank you.
Thank you, my previous presenter. So I'm Ruhul Ahmed Shumon. I'm going to start presenting my part, AI and digital tools impact on performance, innovation, and decision making. So AI and digital technologies represent the most significant drivers of performance improvement within Singapore's Smart Nation initiative. They enhance public service efficiently, smart mobility, healthcare delivery, government decision making, citizen experience, and national competitiveness. So first one, smart nation use AI automation which helps government agencies complete routine tasks faster and with fewer errors. For example, chatbots and automated systems handle citizen inquiries and paperwork efficiently, allowing public officers to focus on more complex and important work. So this improves overall productivity and service quality. Second one, Singapore use AI and real-time data to optimize mobility. So smart traffic lights automatically adjust based on congestion levels. So transport systems can predict peak travel time and avoid bottlenecks. So there are lots of apps which provide live bus timing and help commuters choose the fastest route, a major performance improvement for land scarcity especially. So next one, with predictive analytics, Singapore use moving from reactive problem solving to proactive planning. For example, hospitals can forecast increase in patient numbers during flu seasons. Engineers can detect faults in lift and public infrastructure before breakdowns occur. So this ensures public service are always prepared and responsive. So another one, digital health tools strengthen elderly care. As the population ages, Smart Nation use digital healthcare tools to boost performance in the medical sector. Seniors can consult doctor online through telemedicine, reducing waiting times. So there are lots of smart sensors in the care homes which detect faults and notify caregivers immediately, improving care efficiency and patient safely. So last one, Smart Nation improves performance at a national level. So by supporting new industries like AI, cybersecurity, in fintech and robotics, Singapore attract global investment. So it improves its economy, the nation's economy as well. So this leads to more high skill jobs and stronger economic performance in the digital age. So in conclusion, through AI data and digital tools, Singapore has become faster, smarter, and more efficient. So that's all about my part. So I'm going to request my next presenter to present her part.
Thank you so much. I will be presenting the ethical, societal, and legal implications. First, data privacy and consent. Singapore uses technologies such as smart sensors, CCTV, and biometric systems to collect large amount of data. A key example is the Trace Together COVID-19 app. Although it was introduced for contact tracing, it was later assessed for police investigations, which raised public concerns about privacy and transparency. This highlights the need for informed consent and clear communication about how data is used. Second, fairness. AI systems used in hiring or financial scoring can unintentionally discriminate. For example, older applicants may be disadvantaged in automated recruitment, and credit scoring systems may misinterpret the behavior of low income groups. Addressing this requires regular audits, representative data, and diverse AI development teams. Finally, transparency and explainability. AI influences high stakes decisions such as public housing allocation and healthcare prioritization. However, black box models make decisions difficult to understand or challenge. We have some legal implications. AI also creates legal challenges. Compliance with the Personal Data Protection Act or PDPA is essential. AI systems rely on large data sets, including the risk of data breaches abuses, and misuse, organizations must justify data collection and ensure strong security. Another issue is accountability. If AI causes harm, it is unclear whether responsibility lies with the developers, organizations, or the government. This is especially complex for autonomous systems like predictive policing. Finally, cybersecurity is critical. AI systems sectors such as healthcare, transports are vulnerable to attacks like data poisoning, which can manipulate outputs or expose sensitive data. And then we have societal implications. From a societal perspective, workforce automation may displace jobs in logistic, retail, and finance. Older and low skilled workers may struggle, although initiatives like Skill Futures aim to reduce this impact. Thank you so much. That's it for my part. I'll pass it on to the next one.
Okay, good evening all. Talking about evidence of structural thinking inside and then collaboration. A structural thinking in Smart Nation is a deliberate strategy to govern through data and everyday life, rather than that through laws. This lets you demonstrate structural thinking by explaining how smart homes are being designed, championing and design to produce self-programming and future-oriented objective, whose initiative ideas of a Smart Nation is built around three objectives: economic, solving urban problem, community building. 2, insights. Smart Nation is an involving concept, not fixed model, and Singapore uses it to integrate digitalization and long-term competitiveness and social cohesion. It also notes tensions. The strength emphasizes on growth and productivities can overshadow ethics issues and citizens' autonomy, raising the questions about inclusiveness and value of technology device governance. 3, collaboration. A Smart Nation is built through the whole of the government collaboration and coordination with the citizens and its private sectors, not by technology alone. It shows how government firms and communities are expected to join in collaboration to adopt digital solution. So I want us to go to the group reflection.
The key learning from the project is that the Singapore Nation Initiative demonstrates that digital transformation is most effective when technology adoption is supported by strong governance, clear vision, and citizen-centric design.
The second reflection of the insight gained about the artificial intelligence in business and digital management, which is improved AI operation and efficiency. Those are very much important to our particular AI and digital tool, which is one of the most productive analysis and data driven management across the organization. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to discuss ethical or practical challenges encountered. So challenges include data privacy concerns, cybersecurity risks, digital inclusion issues, and the need to ensure transparency and fairness in AI-driven systems. So next presenter, please.
Okay, we'll talk about the
Working as a team helped me appreciate different perspectives on these challenges we faced. Some difficulties in narrowing our focus and aligning ideas, but though thorough discussion and collaboration, we divided tasks clearly and supported each other. Overall, this project strengthened my understanding of AI in business and highlighted the importance of teamwork in addressing complex digital and ethical issues.
So we'll talk the reflections of our team collaboration, regular check-ins and sharing documents help maintain cohesion and ensure all sessions aligns with the center team or Smart Nation Initiative, strategic and responsible AI. So
Yeah.
I guess that's all
it from our side.
outside.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Okay.
much,
Yeah.
Thank
everyone.
you.
You can stop the recording now.